Hello everyone, I hope you're doing well and welcome back to the Math Chaos. For today, we are going to learn how to operate some fractions, and first we are going to do the addition and subtraction. Okay, and then here we have this first exercise, and then here we have to find first the least common denominator. As you can see, here we have the number 8. 8 is multiple of 8, 2, and 4. Okay, I will write it here. 8. Okay, excellent. So, and after that, we are going to write here. And here, we don't have to amplify this fraction because here we have 8 in denominator. And then we can write it as 1 over 8. So, plus, here, we have to multiply any number by 2 such that the result is 8. This number is 4. And then we multiply 2 times 4. Okay, and what happened here? Remember that in amplification, if I multiply something in denominator, I have to multiply the same number in numerator. It means to multiply by 4 too. Minus, we have minus one number multiplied by 4, such that the result is 8, it's 2. And then here we have 4 times 2. And here, if I multiply by 2 in the denominator, I have to multiply by the same number in numerator. It implies to multiply by 2 again. Okay, excellent. So, and then here we have 1 over 8 plus 1 times 4, it's 4, over 2 times 4, 8. Minus 1 times 2, it's equals to 2, and 4 times 2, 8. As you can see here, we can do the operation with numerators. Why? Because 1 over 8 plus 4 over 8 and 2 over 8 are homogeneous fraction. And then it implies 1 plus 4 equal to 5. 5 minus 2, it's 3. 3 over 8. And then 3 over 8, it's our answer of this operation. Okay, excellent. Now I'm going to do another operation, another example. Here we have this example, 3 over 4 plus 1 over 2 minus 11 over 3 minus 1 over 6. Okay, then here we have, firstly, we have to find the least common multiple of 4, 2, 3, and 6. This common multiple, it is the number 12. Here, I will write it 12 because we don't have to forget this number. Okay, excellent. And after that, here, we will begin to amplify by this number. So, firstly, here we have 4. I have to find one number such that if I multiply 4, the result is 12. And then it is 4 times 3. If I multiply in the denominator by 3, I have to do the same in numerator. Plus 1 over 2. The number that I have to multiply by 2 such that the result is 12, it's 6. And I have to do the same in numerator. So, minus 11 over 3, we will amplify it. And the number to multiply by 3 such that the result is 12 is 4. But remember that if I multiply by 4 in denominator, I have to do the same in numerator. And the last one, minus 1 over 6, we will amplify it by 2. Why? Because if I multiply 6 by 2, the result is 12. So sorry here. Okay, excellent. And after that, we will begin to operate. 3 times 3, it's 9, over 4 times 3, 12, plus 1 times 6, 6, over 2 times 6, 12, minus 11 times 4 is 44, over 12, because 3 times 4 is 12, minus 1 times 2, 2, over 6 times 2, it's 12. Okay, excellent. And then as you can see, we can add only denominators. Why? Because we have the same denominator. What I mean, we can add numerators because we have the same denominator. Okay, excellent. And then 9 plus 6, 9 plus 6, it's equals to 15. 15 minus 44 equals to minus 29. Minus 29 minus 2, it's equals to negative 31. Okay, our result is negative 31 over 12. And then here we have it. We are going to choose green. And here we have our answer. Okay, excellent. This is for addition and subtraction. It's the same. Now we are going to practice with multiplication. Multiplication is easiest. It's the easiest operation between fractions. You will discover why. So here, for example, we can have something like, I don't know, 1 over 2 times 3 over 7. Then the only thing you have to do is to multiply numerator with numerator and denominator with denominator. It implies to multiply 1 times 3, it's equals to 3, over 2 times 7, it's equals to 14. Very easy. Now, try to do it by yourself. 3 over 5 times 2 over 11 equals 2. Okay, try it by yourself. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, excellent. And then we are going to do the same process. Remember to multiply only numerator with numerator. 3 times 2 equals 6, over 5 times 11 equals 255. And then here we have our answers. I don't know, in this case, I will choose this color. It's a kind of blue. Yeah, I guess. Okay. Please let me know in the comments which color is this. I don't know the name in this moment. For me, it's a blue, but let me know in the comments. Okay? Excellent. Very well. Now, here we have the last operation, such that it is division. Okay, and then we are going to do it with an example. 1 over 7 divided by 3 over 2. Okay, excellent. Firstly, we have a trick. I will write it here. I will write it here. It could be, we'll write it here. Don't forget to change the position between numerator and denominator. Okay, the only thing we have to do is to change the numerator with numerator. Okay, and then don't forget this in division. Okay, excellent. Don't forget to change the position between numerator and denominator. This is our first step. Okay, excellent. And after that, we multiply. Let's see how to do it. Here we have 1 over 7 divided. Okay, here, and the fraction that we have to change, it's only the second one. And then we will change 3 by 2 and 2 by 3. It implies we have 2 over 3 equal to, here is times, because it's multiplication. Okay, excellent. 1 times 2 equals to 2 over 7 times 3 equal to 21. Okay, excellent. And then here, 1 over 7 times divided by 3 over 2, it's equal to 2 over 21. And this is our answer. Here, I will put it with yellow. I will color with yellow. Okay, excellent. Okay, let's try by yourself. Do this one. It could be, I don't know, 3 over 8 divided by 1 over 9. Okay, excellent. Try it by yourself. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, then and remember to change the position of the second fraction, okay, as we can see here. And then we're going to change this position. 3 over 8 times 9 over 1. And after that, we multiply. Remember that in multiplication, it's numerator with numerator, denominator with denominator. Then 3 times 9 is equal to 27 over 8 times 1 equals to 8. And then our result here in this division is 27 over 8. Then here I will use here purple, pink. Let me know in the comments. Okay, which color is this? So sorry, here is this one, the second one. Okay, excellent. I hope you learn how to operate operations or how to operate fractions. Remember that you can type to me in the comments questions that you may have. I will try to answer. Okay, and then no more. Have an excellent day. Bye bye.